sense. Alright, so interquartile range is mixing range and median. To me, still two easy things. Okay? We abbreviate interquartile range a lot because it's a mouthful, and we say IQR. So you see it right there, IQR. Okay. And it's the measures of variability that splits the data into 4 equal quartiles. So when you think of the word quarter, what number comes to mind? What does that spark in your head? How many quarters are in a basketball game? 4. How many quarters are in a dollar?
4.
So that prefix quart means 4. Okay? So when we say quartile, there's actually 4 of them. So see the word 4 there? Alright, it represents the middle 50%. Middle 50% of all the data. Alright, now this next little part right here where it says 1, 2, 3, 4, I want you to kind of star that or make it stand out because this is the how-to. This is how we find it. It's not hard. The first thing you want to do is order your data from least to greatest, little to big. Okay. The second one is we want to find the median, which is our middle number. Okay? Then what you're going to do, this is kind of fun, is you're going to find the median of the bottom half of your information, your data, and then the median again of your top, so lower and upper quartiles. So I'll show you how to do that. And when you subtract, you're going to find the IQR, interquartile range. Okay, everybody get that? Alright, so let me show you how to do that with this number 5 here on the back. It says the data set below represents the different costs of a camera at an electronics store. Lots of different prices, aren't there? So the first thing we want to do, according to my notes, is to put them in order from least to greatest. So, looking at these numbers, here, that looks a little. I don't know why the lighting is so odd on this one. Alright, so what is the least price for a camera? The smallest price? $28? Okay. Alright, and then what? 36. What's the next price? 44. Good. 108. Alright, so if this is our numbers, remember how we talked about finding the median? We take one off the front, one off the back, one off the front, one off the back. And then we can also think of it as, I'm going to scoot this out of the way, as kind of a rainbow. I didn't put enough space in here to make a true rainbow. So this kind of keeps us to be sure that we're always taking it off in pairs. And so what is my median number? 59. That's my middle number is 59. Good job. Okay? On A, it said to write the data from least to greatest. On B, what was the minimum price? 28. C, it says what is the maximum price? 108. Okay, and D, it says what is the median? 59. Okay, so what we want to do is find the median of, let me get my camera going here. I don't know why the lighting's so weird today. So what I want to do is find the median of the half of data this way, because this is half of the data, right? This is where we split it in half. So I want to find the median of this top half, or I guess I should say lower, and then this higher. So I cover up the median, and I say, okay, what is my median or middle number here? 36. That one was easy to see, wasn't it? So when it says on E, what is the median of the first half of data? It's 36. Okay, I want to cover the median up again and look at the higher, or the second half. 71. And that one's easy to see as well, isn't it? So 71 is the median for the upper half.
What if you have four numbers after median?
What if you have what?
Four numbers after median, what do you do?
Well, so if you end up with like two middle numbers, sometimes you can see the median. So like if it's 40 and 42, you know the median's going to be 41. Other times it's a little harder to see, like with these numbers, they're so spread out. So I would want to add them together and divide by 2. I'm kind of finding the average of the two middle numbers. And that's actually the median as well. So we'll do something like that. So now, if you kind of look, you see that there's, I don't want to draw through this, but I guess I will. Let me see if I have a highlighter handy. I think I do. There we go. So as you can see, I have my top, this is called quartile 1. Oh, you can't see that highlighter at all, can you? And here's quartile 2, quartile 3. So if you can see my highlighting, can you see it? Oh, it's not very easy to see. You can see that I have 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, 4 sections. So there's where our 4 comes from. We've divided it. Here's one division. There's the middle of the lower and the middle, and the middle of the higher. But it makes it into 4 sections. It's still kind of hard to see with that highlighter. So anyway, to find the interquartile range, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 71 and 36. 71 and 36. So to find the interquartile range, I do 71 minus 36. And what'd you get? 35. So the interquartile range is 35. And I'll do another one with you in just a second. Okay, and